What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Bethany Billings. What's good? What's up if you new? What's good? What's up if you old? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got this crimped look. They're small crimps. And today I am wearing Sewphisticated Hair. I will put my code and the link down below. And this hair is very luxurious. I love it. I'm wearing a 16, 22, 24, 26, 28 inch bundles. Let me show y'all. Like, the ends look good. Stiff wear. It has shine. And I really love this. I really love this hair. This is the only hair I currently use. And yeah, so I'm going to show y'all how I got this look. And I hope you enjoy. Okay, so now you see me just section off my hair. And I didn't really just flat iron it. I just kind of went through it, but nothing serious. So I sectioned my hair off into 2 pieces. And before I use the argan oil, and I just always use it before I put heat to my hair. I only put just a dab on it because it makes your hair super duper oily if you use too much. And I used my Got To Be spray. And you can get that from your local beauty supply store or Walmart. Fine tooth comb. And then my, what is it called? Paddle brush. And then I use this bed head waver. It's like $22. I think you can get it on Amazon, Walmart.com, or in Walmart. I like mine in Walmart for like $20. So now I'm just getting all the like tangles out if there's any. And this hair good. Like you see, I comb through that with a fine tooth comb. No shedding. Like this hair is bomb. Alright, so now I'm just using the clamp just to hold it out of the way. And then I'm taking a piece from the back. I always start from the back. Take a piece from the back. I'm not really just going a certain size. I just know about what size I want. And it's about the size I did almost about over. So I spray a little bit, not a lot, because they will be real hard and crunchy, but just a little so it can hold for maybe 2 or 3 days. And then I have my crimp on the highest setting. I think I use everything on the highest setting, flat irons and all. So I hold it for about 30 seconds. And then I take it off. And you want to make sure you keep it going in the same direction or you'll mess it up. And then I kind of pull it down so I can see like where I should sit the waver in the next spot, because I don't want to go over the next. I don't want to go over one crimp I've already done. And pulling it up to like really get the indentation, which is what you see me doing when I pull it up, is so it helps me early. It shows me quicker on how. OMG. It shows me where to start next. Finally. And that's how your crimps will come out. I don't curl them. I don't comb them out or anything. I let them all sit there until at the end. And then I repeat the same step over for the rest of my head. And I'll let you watch the next few ones. Your girl got real hungry. This hairstyle is so time consuming. Like, you have to literally like have at least an hour or two to yourself, or you're just not gonna make it. Like, your arms get tired, your hands get tired. It's just, you gonna need a break. Okay, so now I have one side completed. I'm getting ready to go to the other side. I kind of already started in the back part of the other side. And I'm literally gonna do the same steps. But I don't know why. I always finish the next side quicker than I finish one side. I guess because like I be eager to hurry up and get it done so that I finish the other side so fast. But I'm just literally grabbing any section, spraying it. I know my MacBook gonna be real sticky. Alright, so now I'm done. I went on and laid my baby hairs and all of that. And now I'm gonna finger pull them out. And I was talking in this part of the video, but it was way too much going on in my background. So just watch me act the fool.
Bam! Look at it.
Period, poo. Girl, I'm a mess.
Out. I missed the piece. I'll get that later. But yeah, this is the finished look. And I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell. Bye.
Finna leave me cause I got that drip drop. To this last bitch still